Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to open up the glove box. We're going to have to grab the inside of the glove box and fold it in like this, and then it'll flip down. We can access the cabin filter right here. There's a little tab on this side right here. You push in on that. Same with the tab on this side. Push in and it'll release. You can pull it straight out, just like that. I can pull the cabin filter right out, just like that. As you can see, this is our old cabin filter. If you open the pleats, you can see how dirty it is. There's a lot of debris in there. This is our new cabin filter from 1aauto.com. It's designed the same, all the pleats are the same. Right here there's an arrow of which direction the flow is. So you want the airflow to go down and suck in from the blower motor. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So we're going to take the cabin filter. Remember the arrow, it's going to go down. So the tray is like this. You want the arrow going down into the tray. This back part you want to line up in there and push it down, just like that. And we can slide it in to the slot and clip it in. And we can take our glove box, we're gonna fold these corners in a little bit, push it back.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.